cold to near record warmth, all in 4 days.
That's right. It is late January. NBC 10 Boston meteorologist Chris Gloninger, he explains why the temperature swings are bursting more than pipes than normal, and he uncovers the biggest problems in some of Boston's tallest buildings.
Consequences of last week's deep freeze in Natick. Paul Daniele of Puritan Flood Restoration has taken about 150 calls since last week's deep freeze.
A couple days ago with the cold spell, Thursday's the next cold spell. It's been a roller coaster ride.
There's a common problem oftentimes in some of the taller buildings. Most, if not all of them, have fire sprinklers. In those cases, it's the fire department who has to shut off the water, and that can take time. If your condo has sprinklers, make sure you have homeowners insurance.
The condo association does have insurance, but there's a certain percentage you're responsible for, and I've gone into more floods where they've had no homeowners insurance, and they could have up to $10,000 to $15,000 of damage where they don't get covered for.
Some of the worst floods are when there's a burst pipe in the upstairs and the water comes trickling down to the first floor and all the way down to the basement.
First thing to do is come down to your water shutoff, and you'll find it in the basement usually. You see the pipe coming from outside the house into your house. There's always a shutoff. Just give it a turn, and that'll shut all the water off in your house and stop any more damage.
That's in your control, and it can minimize the damage. Make sure pipes are insulated, your cabinet doors left open, and faucets left trickling. All tips to help prevent a big problem. Chris Gloninger, NBC 10 Boston.